Okay, so we're at the Boyd Hill Nature Preserve. We're still there, and this is the big pond that a guy told me about. You can see there's a lot of marshland. It's a big pond, more like it filled with gators. There's even a sign that says "Don't feed or molest the gators." You could see that. Okay, and this is showing you different types of wildlife that's available. Now, what I would advise is not to go too close to the edge of these ponds. You know, very ill advised, because this is what you'll find. Okay, Lake Maggiore Trail. You're gonna find these things here: bald eagle, gators. So you never know where the gators are, because they're very disguised in these marshlands, and this is their habitat. So you never know what they're up to, if they're nesting or whether it's mating season. You don't know, or they're hungry and trying to eat. So the good advice is to stay away from the edges of these big lakes. Okay, stay away from those edges. But that's just give you an idea of what's over that side. Right. And for those who are just coming in, once again, we're in Florida, and we're in St. Petersburg area, and we're at the Boyd Hill Nature Preserves. Okay, perfect for alligators, and that's the exit sign, so we're gonna head that way. So we're getting ready to leave now. Yep.